Hi, I'm Dr. Uday Pote, orthopedic and spine surgeon, and today we will understand what do we mean by osteoarthritis. Knee joint is made up of three bones: the thigh bone called as femur, the shin bone called as tibia, and the kneecap which is called as patella. These three bones form a joint through a smooth part called as cartilage, and movement takes place because these smooth surfaces come in contact. In osteoarthritis, this cartilage is damaged. There are two types of osteoarthritis. First is called as primary osteoarthritis, which is generally hereditary osteoarthritis, and this causes arthritis not only of larger joints but also small joints of the finger as well. Second type of osteoarthritis is called as secondary osteoarthritis, which is caused by previous fractures, obesity. It also may be caused by increase in uric acid, diabetes, hypertension or hypothyroid. These diseases cause damage to the articular cartilage. In osteoarthritis of knee, it becomes difficult to walk, sit cross-legged, climb stairs or get up from seated position. Any joint can get affected by osteoarthritis, and this causes pain on movement of that joint. To diagnose osteoarthritis, clinical examination and X-rays are important. These X-rays help in grading the severity of osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is graded from grade 1 with minimum osteoarthritis to grade 4 wherein the entire joint is destroyed. On X-ray, we can see in arthritic knee, the joint space on the inside area is reduced. This is because of reduction in thickness or damage to the articular cartilage. Osteoarthritis, unfortunately, is irreversible and the process cannot be stopped. It can be controlled, so early diagnosis and proper treatment is very important. In early stages of osteoarthritis, there is swelling over knees and pain at the front and back of the knees. This pain is because of inflammation due to some damage to the cartilage, which if not treated early causes further damage. So in this stage, rest and anti-inflammatory medications are very important to protect the articular cartilage. If taking rest and anti-inflammatory medications do not help in reducing the swelling and pain, it means that the inflammation is severe to begin with. Then injection steroid in knee joint will definitely help to reduce this inflammation. Due to inflammation, the capsule surrounding the knee joint and the muscles become stiff. So after the inflammation is reduced, stretching of the capsule and the strengthening of muscles is absolutely important to keep the knee supple. The cartilage is provided nutrition through the oily fluid inside the capsule. The main component of this fluid is hyaluronic acid. Due to inflammation, this oily fluid is reduced, which can be replenished by some oral supplements or intra-articular hyaluronic acid injections. This provides nutrition and prolongs the life of this articular cartilage. Nowadays, newer therapies like prolotherapy, stem cell therapy and PRP injections are being studied and used. These studies claim to regenerate and regrow the cartilage. As they are still experimental, talk to your orthopedic doctor to know what will be suitable for you. In grade 3 or 4 osteoarthritis, the cartilage is severely damaged, which causes walking a few steps also painful. In these cases, knee alignment or total knee replacement is helpful. Reducing weight and strengthening muscles help in prolonging the life of articular cartilage. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe and share it with your family and friends. If you have any questions regarding osteoarthritis, please ask in the comment section below.